Cloud and rain across the north, spreading across the whole of the UK today, and the outlook remains mild and unsettled. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up for Good Morning Britain.
Tuesday headballs.
No power, so when it re-enters the Earth's atmosphere, there'll be no giant explosion, but you should be able to see it streaking through the sky tomorrow evening. A fragment of, at the moment, its size is around about 2,295 kilograms. So there were clear skies last night. Would have been perfect for viewing the re-entry of a satellite, but now it is cloud and rain that dominate. A weather front in the north brings a wet start that slips its way southwards, but a more significant band of rain is set to move in tomorrow. And these successions of weather fronts, you can see, it's like we're in a tumble dryer with them going round and round and round. The outlook is wet and windy. Here's how it looks for today. This band of rain slipping its way southwards, and then colder air moves in later. And it's that wins out as we head towards the weekend. But for the time being, it is wet for western Scotland and Northern Ireland. The whole band of rain moves across Scotland and Northern Ireland within the next few hours, and then it has its sights set on northern England and Wales by early afternoon. Cooler conditions move into the north with sunny spells and scattered showers. As the band of rain comes through, gusty winds of 30 to 40 miles an hour, but still mild in the southeast with the highest of our temperatures, 14 or 15 degrees. Then the whole band of rain moves southwards, so a cloudy, wet and windy night ahead for many of us. Good morning to you. A dry start in the south this morning, but a band of rain is set to creep across the country. Then tomorrow, a more significant band of wet and windy weather. And then the outlook by the end of the week into the weekend is turning colder and actually for many of us also turning drier. But here's how it looks for today. This rain moves south with colder conditions following behind and a bit of a cloudy, mild start in the south. The latest satellite and radar picks out a lot of cloud, and that means yet again it is a relatively mild start to the day, but not quite as warm as it was this time yesterday morning. Scotland already has a band of rain here, and it then slips south. So Scotland and Northern Ireland, a wet morning. The rain then heads into northern England and Wales by around about lunchtime, but then skies brighten in the north. So an improving story for Scotland and Northern Ireland, sunny spells and scattered showers. Cloud and rain for England and Wales continues to journey southwards, arriving there this evening, where again it stays mild, highs around about 14 or 15 degrees. So how do things pan out as we head through the next 7 Good morning to you. A band of rain is set to sweep across the country from the north today, so turning increasingly cloudy, wet and windy, but yet again, it stays mild. Here's how it looks first thing this morning. Our band of rain sits through western Scotland and western areas of Northern Ireland. Everywhere else is cloudy and relatively mild, a little fresher in the southeast from where we've been over the last few. Well, I too have some wonderful memories of Robin Windsor, my hometown, Northampton, where they have a theatre, they have Strictly Northampton. I was presenting that show one year and he was one of the judges on the panel, and he was wonderful and amazing to everybody backstage, and yeah, just a larger-than-life character. And at the end of last year, myself and Dr. Hilary were invited to an event. Good morning to you. A band of rain is set to move across the country today. Before it, it's pretty cloudy, but yet again, it is mild. This is the cloudy scene greeting us this morning, but here's the rain for western Scotland and Northern Ireland. It very quickly moves across all of Scotland and Northern Ireland as we head through the next few hours. It moves into northern England and Wales by this afternoon. The south and east, mild but sunny spells, highs of 15, sunshine and showers in the northwest later.